Hey book lovers, imagine getting paid for something you already love doing, reading books and getting paid. I know a lot of you will be wondering, Claudia, reading books online and getting paid? Yes, you heard me right. Remember what I always say, there is nothing impossible for you to do on the online space and earn money. And reading books and earning money is one of them. You heard me right. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 amazing websites that will pay you to read books, review them, and share your thoughts and your opinions about these books. Trust me, these platforms can add some serious cash into your pocket while you are reading the books and enjoying them. So stick around till the very end because I'll also be sharing with you some serious tips on how you can increase your chances of landing more gigs and also how you can get started and the secret sauce of which you can actually give your thoughts about these books. This is because I know we these days, we like to listen, we also like to watch, but reading is one of the things we do not want to do. But if you're out there, you want to read books and earn some extra cash, then watch this video till the end because I will share you the secret sauce on how you can actually review these books without actually reading them. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. I am Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of topics you are interested in, you want to watch this video till the end, you want to click on like, you want to subscribe so you will not miss out on our other amazing videos that we drop on this channel. Thank you all so much for all the support, all the likes and everything you do to improve this small amazing community. Do not forget, this is the end of 2024. 2025 is on the way and you need to prepare yourself to get extra income, especially from the online space. I know you have that 9-to-5 job and I also know you have your personal business, but your finances, you are still struggling with that. This channel can actually help you, put you through some extra side jobs that you can have, earn some money and improve on your finances. That being said, let's dive into the 5 websites that you can actually read books and earn extra money. Now, before we go into this amazing 5 websites that you can actually earn money from reading books, these websites can actually pay you from $5 to $60 per every review on this book. So imagine how much you can make just from reading, sharing your reviews on the online space. And like I said, I have a secret sauce for you on how you will not go through reading this book from page 1 to page 60 or page 300 or all that. All you have to do is to follow this secret and then you would only listen to this book and give your review. First up, we have the online book. This platform is perfect for avid readers. Here's how it works. They actually send you a free book. I mean, this book is totally free. You don't need to buy it. You don't need to pay anything. And then you read it and then you write your honest review or your opinion about this book and you get paid. How amazing is that? Now, you actually earn from $5 as a beginner. And when you gain experience on this platform, you would start earning from $60 per review. How cool is that? Plus, you would actually gain these free books. So if you are a book lover, you love reading books, you want to read books, you can actually sign up for this platform so that you can read, enjoy the book, and also earn some extra cash for this. Remember, I'm going to share with you the secret sauce on how you don't have to go through line to line, page to page to read this book. All you need to do is to listen, give your review, and then you earn this money. The second website that you can actually read books and earn some extra cash is called the Booklist. This is actually a publication by the American Library Association. If you enjoy reviewing books for professional audience, this is a perfect side gig for you. They typically pay you between $12 to $15 per review. How amazing is that? I know a lot of you watching me right now, you love reading, and some of you, you're just looking for side hustles here and there. This is a great side hustle that you can sign into and start earning some extra cash for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Go right there and type in Booklist and start earning some extra cash for yourself. And don't worry, you do not need to be a library expert. Just provide thoughtful insights about this book, and there you go. You start earning between $12 to $15 per any review. If you enjoyed this research up till this moment, please go down to the comments and type in amazing. Let me also know if you are hearing about reading and earning money for your first time on the comment section. This is because I want to know that I am sharing insightful information to you all. Thank you. And do not forget, share this video to all the side hustlers out there, or to someone who is looking for a side hustle for 2025. Now, coming at number 3, we have the US Review Books. This platform is ideal for those who prefer consistent stream of opportunity. I mean, those who want to have opportunities all the time. This website is specially for you. They actually pay between $25 to $75 per review, but this all depends on the length and the depth of the book. All you need is to craft reviews that are concise but insightful, helping readers to decide if the book is worth their time and their money. And when you do this, you'll be able to earn between this $25 to $75 per review. How amazing is this? And what are you waiting for? Is this the side hustle you've been waiting for? Is this what you're gonna do? Let me know on the comments, and do not forget to click on that like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this to anyone out there who loves reading books, and also anyone who is looking for a side hustle. Do not forget, I'm going to share with you a secret to how you can actually read this book or give a perfect insight about this book, your perfect review, without basically going through the lines and every page of your book. Moving to the fourth website, we have the Reedsy Discovery. If you are passionate about indie books, this is your go-to platform. While Etsy pays you per review, viewers also tip you for your review. How amazing is that? And some of these reviewers actually go home every month with up to $1,000. Plus, you get an early access to fantastic indie books. For those of you who are indie lovers or indie book lovers, this is a perfect side hustle for you, because you'll be doing what you love or reading the kind of books that you love to read, and also you will be getting paid for your honest review. And finally, on to the big one, our fifth website that you can actually read books, give your review, and earn is Kirkus Review. I hope that's how it's pronounced. This one is known for its professional and detailed reviews. This platform can pay you from $50 up to $100 per review. However, they expect top-notch quality. This you should put in mind. So it's great for experienced reviewers. So if you're an experienced reviewer for books, this is a great side hustle for you. You can sign into this platform right now, start reading this book, giving your reviews, and earning from $50 to $100 per your review. So, are you looking to earn money online? Are you looking forward to getting a side hustle come 2025? We all know how the economy has been for this past year, and no one wants to go through this financial mumbo jungle that we are going through. So if that is what you're looking for, a side hustle, to improve on your finances, then reviewing books and earning money is what you want to do as a side hustle. We have other things on this platform that you can do online, earn money for yourself. So you can also go through our other videos that we've dropped and the ones we're going to drop in future on how you can earn money from the online space. So there you have it. 5 websites that will pay you to read books. Whether you're a casual reader or you're an experienced reviewer, there is something for you on the online space. These are just 5. We have more websites out there that will actually pay you to review their books. So if you're just a casual reader or you are experienced, you can actually read books and earn money. And like I said, I was going to give you a spacious source for you to be able, or a spacious scale for you to be able to review these books without going through reading these books from line to line or from page to page. And now here is the time. Now, the easiest way for you to go about this is for you to use ChatGPT. For those of you who do not know how to use ChatGPT, you can watch this video right here. It's on this channel, and you would learn how you can use ChatGPT for your daily activities. Now, what do you do? Now, some of these books are really cumbersome. If you go through any of these platforms, you will know what I'm talking about, or this website, you will know what I'm talking about. So for you to be able to review these books, because if I tell you for a fact that it's not difficult to review books, to go through these books line by line and page by page, then I am a liar. But like you know, and I know, for those of you who have already rushed to these websites to check the books you can read, it is difficult for you to review. And if you want to go through page by page, you would take over 2 weeks, even a month, even 3 months to go through this book. And I know, as you know, that we all don't like reading. We can listen, we can watch, but to go through reading is difficult. Now, what do you do with ChatGPT? So all you have to do is to go to any of these websites, you select the book you want to review, or if a book has been assigned to you to review it, you copy the book, you go to ChatGPT, you paste the book and ask ChatGPT to review the book or summarize the book for you. Now, when ChatGPT is done summarizing this book for you, all you have to do is to edit the book in your own words. It will be a terrible thing for you to, copy the review from ChatGPT, then you go over to this website to paste or to share as your review, because this website will definitely know that you've used AI to review the book. So what you do is, when you have gotten the review from ChatGPT, all you have to do is to edit it in your own words. It's very simple. So it will take you, let me say, 30 minutes or at most an hour to review or to edit the review that ChatGPT has given you. So it's as simple as that. Copy the book, paste in ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you a review or a summary of the book so you can take your time, edit it, and then you share your review with the website that you are working with. Let me know in the comment section which of these 5 websites you're going to use to read and review to earn money. Until next time, keep searching. Never ever give up on what you do. Remember, I'm right here rooting for you. If you fall short anywhere on any of those websites, let me know in the comment section. And if you are going to my email to send me an email, after sending the email, make sure you come back to the comments and let me know you sent an email, because I take time to go to my emails, but right here on the comment section, I'm always there to respond to you all ASAP. Until next time, love you all. Bye-bye.